Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create AI avatar talking video. If you ever come across videos of AI talking about something like, for example, this one, we have this one right here as well, this one, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create videos exactly like these. So the first thing that we are going to do is choose a topic. So the topic that I'm going to choose, say for example, is all about becoming healthy or having a great mental health. So I'm going to go ahead and suggest, say for example, ChatGPT to create or give me 3 steps or 3 ways in order to have a better mental health. So just something like that. Okay, as you can see, it was able to create a script based from that very simple script. Based from the very simple prompt. Now this one is a little bit long, so I'm going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to shorten it a little bit. Okay, now this one is, I think, too short, so I'm just going to go ahead and make it a little bit longer. All right, so I guess we got the right script now, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy this one here. All right, this one. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. And then the first one earlier, this one here is the introduction, so I'm just going to copy this one as well. Now, there you go. So now we have the script. We're going to go ahead here in our LimeWire. So I'm using limewire.com in order for us to create an AI video. So I'm going to go ahead and put here a picture of a healthy man or healthy and athletic man in his early 20s, something like that. Okay, click generate. Okay, we got this particular image here. So let's try to change this a little bit. So okay, I guess this one is a lot better. Let's go ahead and make it a bit larger. And then we're going to go ahead and download this one or save this image. All right, so we have the image saved. Now let's go here and we're going to go ahead and generate our own script. So we're going to go ahead and copy this one. We're going to go here in 11 Labs, and here in 11 Labs, we're going to go ahead and generate a text to speech. So for example, I just want you to go ahead and basically choose whatever language and whatever voice you're going to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and find here something.
Logic will get you from A to B. Imagine
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and choose Charlie, and I'm going to go ahead and paste the script here. So after doing so, go ahead and click the generate button. So we're just going to have to wait for this to be done. As you can see, it's still generating. All right, so we are already done with the script. I'm going to go ahead and save this one. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is generate our own avatar. So we're going to go to this particular software here or platform, and we're going to go ahead and click create video. So we're going to go ahead and click this one, and we're going to upload our own avatar because we have already made that one earlier. And I think it's going to be a lot better. All right, there you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the audio here because we have already generated ours as well. Again, it would be a lot better if you're going to generate one on your own, because that way you will be able to personalize the voice and see which one matches the best with your avatar. Okay, so seems like we are already done. We're going to go ahead and click generate video. All right, click generate. Okay, so we are done. Let's try to play this one.
Improving mental health involves various strategies that can differ from person to person.
All right, I think that is a lot better. So we're going to go ahead and download this one. All right, so, okay.
Improving mental health involves
Okay, there you go. So we have already downloaded this one, but as you can see, there's these watermarks here. You can definitely have it removed if you ever purchase this one. So, yep, once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and head to my CapCut. And here in my CapCut, I'm going to go ahead and open a new project. So I'm going to click import, and then we're going to go ahead and import something. So we're going to go ahead and put that here. This time, we're going to go ahead and change the ratio of this particular video here. Let's add this one. All right, click the ratio, and we're going to use 19:6. Now I'm going to go ahead and make sure that it fits the screen. All right, there you go. And then we're going to go ahead and add subtitles. So we're going to go ahead and click the text, auto caption, and then choose the language, which is English. And then we're going to go ahead and click create. All right, and then this time we're going to go ahead and just arrange these here. So click the basic, and then we're going to change some things. Or you can use templates, by the way. Templates is also going to be really good. However, just go ahead and choose like a simple one or something that is attention grabbing. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and find something here.
Improving mental health involves various strategies that can differ from person to person, but here are 3 generally effective approaches.
All right, there you go.
Regular exercise, engage in physical.
Okay, there you go. So now we have created this one. It's time for us to export it. So I'm just going to go ahead and export this one real quick.
Improving mental health involves various strategies that can differ from person to person, but here are 3 generally effective approaches. Regular exercise, engage in physical activity for at least 30 minutes most days.
All right, there you go. So that's how it goes, everybody. Congratulations. Now you know how to get this done. Should you wish to see more of these videos, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the like button down below. Have a good day, everyone.